Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to search for files quickly in Google Drive. First of all, open the Google Drive application on your device, or you may also visit drive.google.com on your browser and log in using your Google account's credentials. After you're inside the home page of Google Drive, go ahead and get to the search bar at the top of the screen and tap on it. Now write down the keywords related to your file. You can type down the file name, document type, or content keywords, such as the words inside the file if it's a Google Doc. After typing it down, you will be able to locate the file in the search results. And that's how you will be able to search for a specific file or folder in Google Drive. You can also filter search in your Google Drive by, for example, type, people, or modified tabs. From there, you can filter search for any file or folder you want to look for. Using Google Drive's search bar and advanced operators help you quickly find any files, even among thousands. You can also star important files to skip searching next time. So that's how you can easily look for a specific file quickly in Google Drive. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.